Hey everyone, it's Domi. Welcome back to the first actual plan with me in a very, very long time. I'm obviously behind me style, but I'm trying to catch up as quickly as I can. I just don't even know how to talk about plans anymore, so these first few voiceovers will probably be rusty, so just sorry in advance. But this was my New Year's Eve week spread. I used the Blast Off kit from Scribble Prince Co., which is one of my all-time favorite art sets. It's just literally perfect. Sparkly Hollow was the obvious foil choice for this kit, so I doubled down and made this spread as sparkly as humanly possible. I'm so salty though because my phone and camera just do not do Sparkly Hollow justice at all. But just trust and believe, this is one of my all-time best spreads. You know, not to get like cocky or anything, but I am high-key obsessed with it. So for the base, I used underlays from Sticky Essentials, I'm pretty sure. And then all of the celestial foil is SPC. And I knew I was going to have to make this a hollow, Sparkly Hollow mixed metal spread just because Sparkly Hollow isn't like fully mainstream yet. So a lot of shops still don't offer it. So to tie in the hollow to the rest of the spread, I used this gorgeous bottom washi overlay from Artbox Stickers, but I don't think they're open anymore, so that's kind of a bummer. And then I also pulled in some date scripts from Kinsey's Creations, and I am absolutely obsessed with them. I think they add so much to a spread and just bring in that extra bit of foil that we all know and love. And same thing for the hole reinforcers from Caress Press. I'm obsessed. I just think they add so much, and I'm definitely going to be using them in like every spread going forward. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I did for the base. But if I forgot anything, everything will be tagged on Instagram. And since I wanted this spread to be foiled to the gods, I foiled all the Sparkly Hollow scripts myself, except the YouTube scripts from Kinsey's Creations. So if any of the scripts look weird, I just want to disclaim that that's on me. It's not on the shops at all. So yeah, I've got a bit of time before the day by day kicks in. So I'll throw on some music and meet you back in just a second.
Tell me what to say. A flip and nothing could change what it was like. You came out as the sky turned. I felt I'd always feel this way. Outside the world so gated. You make it right, I should stay away.
Okay, so that week was one of my 3-day weekend weeks within my rotation. So I worked Monday to Thursday and then had Friday to Sunday off. So that week I marked work the same way every day with Randy.plan scripts and a cute little Maru from Paper and Milk. I know not everyone likes to put work in, but I do just because I'm on a rotation, so I have a different schedule each week. So yeah, starting Monday off, I did all the account follow-ups that I needed to, and then washed our masks because I like to do that pretty regularly. We have so many masks for people who don't go anywhere. Those Old Navy sales just freaking get me, man. And then I wanted to do a New Year's charcuterie board, so I placed a Kroger pickup order, and I marked that with a piece of fork and knife deco from the kit, which I thought turned out really cute. And then I'm obviously just struggling out of control with the spacing here. I somehow lost the label sampler, so my spacing was just a whole process with this spread. And then the rest of Monday, I kind of just spent lounging around doing laundry and editing. So on Tuesday, I did some planning, and then I also did my nails and recorded a voiceover, and I did my budget for the month. I know it doesn't seem like I budget, but I actually do. And then I played a lot of Among Us because work was hella slow. And then on Wednesday, I did a bit of filming, and I also finished all of my account follow-ups because I knew I was absolutely not going to be in the mood to deal with that on Thursday. And then, of course, I'm out of frame here, so my bad. But I put in that we got our Kroger pickup, and then I FaceTimed my brother and his girlfriend, and then also uploaded a video that day. So moving on to Thursday, I ended up getting VTO for half my shift. So I only had to work 2:30 to 6:30, which was really, really nice. And then I also put in that I FaceTimed Chris and Danny again. And then I did my charcuterie board, which turned out really cute. And then we pretty much just played games the rest of the night and watched the ball drop. And I don't know, the ball drop was just so eerie and bizarre with an empty Times Square. Like, it was just so apocalyptic. I don't know, it just freaked me out. So on Friday, I slept in a little bit because I stayed up super late, even by my standards. And then, oh my God, okay, so the Juliana Theory, which was one of my favorite bands in high school, released new music for the first time in I don't even know how long, probably at least a decade. And it was such a serotonin boost. Oh, I'm so happy. And then I put in that I edited and got Starbucks, and then also put in that it was payday, which you can't even see, so my bad. And then Saturday was just a quintessential lazy day. It was so nice. I gave my little dog Coco a bath, and that was the extent of my movement that day, and I don't feel bad about it at all. And then I put our grocery order in, and then we just watched like 5 episodes of Jeopardy. Very happy to report that I am still the familial reigning champ. And then I also did some laundry. And then Sunday, I paid all the bills that I needed to from that paycheck and got Starbucks again. And then I did some research for the Frank Tassone case. That video is up and is called The Bad Superintendent, if you want to check it out. And then I just put in that we picked up our groceries and played more games and watched more Jeopardy. And then I had a Plan With Me binge. So yeah, that was my week. It was super nice and chill and relaxing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. And I hope I see you in the next one. Later days.